With the Battery Development Centre eDLP, the FEV Group is embarking on a completely new chapter in the field of battery development. We are now in a position to provide everything, from the conception to the delivery of a production-ready series battery, everything from one source. The special advantage is that we can now offer the entire validation plan required for the development of battery-powered vehicles under one roof at our Sandersdorf-Brenner site.
Anbieten können.
In the long term, we believe that the battery is key to e-mobility. We are working on hydrogen engines, but we are also working on engines with renewable fuels. We shouldn't just ban combustion engines, we need to make them CO2 neutral. We have two major test categories. The first category is what end users notice first: reliability, durability. The second category is, of course, security. This is something that end users expect. But it's still a huge development goal. This is where we are starting, the idea of a cell that must be safe if punctured in a crash.
Im Falle eines Crashs durchbohrt wird. Wir denken aber auch in die Produktion.
We are also thinking in terms of production. Batteries have to be transported from point A to point B, and somewhere they could fall from a forklift. We have to consider everything, so that additional danger isn't created.
Ausgeht. Auch im Winter
we want EVs to be driven in the winter too. Winter usages introduces gravel and could mean thrown stones or a salted environment. It means variance temperatures. Everything must be considered so that the end user is happy when driving their EV.
In seinem E-Fahrzeug unterwegs ist. Wenn wir über die USPs, also unsere
When we talk about the USPs or unique selling points, here at the site, the first thing that comes to mind is the huge shaker with 350 kilonewtons, which is one of only two in the entire world, one at the manufacturers and one here with us. We cover all the necessary steps for battery development and ensure them to a series production readiness.
zur Serienreife ab. Und das in einer Kapazität.
All this in a capacity site that is unique in the world. That's why we dare to say that we are currently the largest battery development centre in the world that can be commissioned.
Das man beauftragen kann.
An engineer's heart simply beats faster. The more than 50 chambers, ranging from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. In other words, very cold to very hot. After all, the batteries have to work perfectly under all these conditions.
E-Mobilität, wie wir
E-mobility, as we understand it, requires a great deal of expertise and know-how. In this respect, we have found excellent conditions here. Exactly what we need in order to really live e-mobility, and in particular, to drive battery development forward.
voranzutreiben.